Which ordered pair, question number 8. Which ordered pair below is not a solution to f of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 4? This is a really straightforward, free question that I need you to all get correct. All you have to do for this is plug in. You see f of x equals, you should immediately go to your calculator. Let's plug it in. So I'm going to look and go to my calculator, make a new doc. Oops, I didn't mean to save. New document, do not save. And I want to go to a graph so I can get the table or the graph. It was x squared minus 3x plus 4. So we'll just plug that in. X squared minus 3x plus 4, minus 4, plus 4. I graph this, and it shows me something, but some of these, I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell where the points are. I've got some decimals. Let's check the table. I'm going to hit Control and then T to get my table of values. And I just need to compare my table of values to the solutions that they got here, the answers, and see which one it is. Notice, if they say which ordered pair below, it's almost always talking about the input-output values that you see in a table. It's not asking for solution in the term of zeros or roots. It's not looking for where I hit the x-axis when they ask a question like this. And that makes sense because this one does not have any roots. It never hits the x-axis. Anyways, let's check. 0, 4 is right there. It is a solution. 0, 4 is a solution. 1.5, 1.75. It's kind of hard to tell, right? This is 1.5, 1.75. If it's anywhere, it is between these two. Notice it is a local minimum. The vertex right here is a minimum. And so 1.5 would be the vertex. It should be a little below 2. That could be a point on the graph. Let's see if we find other things on it or not, and then we can come back and check for this vertex. Let's see. Choice 3, 514. 514 is definitely on it. That is definitely a solution. So that also cannot be my answer, right? It's looking for things that are not solutions. It's looking for which is not a solution. 514 is definitely on it. And 4, negative 1, 6. Let's see. The point negative 1, 6 definitely does not exist. It's the point negative 1, 8. So negative 1, 6 is definitely not on the table. 1.75 could be, right? It's not exactly on the table, but it makes sense that I'm going down, going down, going down. Halfway between 1 and 2 is probably going to be lower than 2 if you look at the vertex. So yeah, I bet that this is on the table eventually if I go far enough in. But this is definitely not on the table. I already see negative 1, 8 on my table of values here, not negative 1, 6. The answer for this, which ordered pair is not a solution, is the coordinate negative 1, 6.